I don't know why, but I only have 2 stuff. So let's see what we can buy. See, $10 for those pop fireworks. Hello. Hey, brother. I guess I would get it.
Which one?
This one.
Look, this is for 83. How many has that one?
That one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's supposed to say in the front. This one has 23 units. This one has 67 units.
This one has a lot.
The Freedom Select Large pay price. Yeah, it has 67 fireworks.
Yeah, so let's just get it. Put the camera. Do not point out my face. Okay, give me the camera. Okay, let's check this. Yeah, it's called
Baby, he wants this one.
the Freedom America. Alright, now Mom, help me. Let's continue what they have. Oh, look. What's this? It's like a firework drone. That's sick. We got tanks and everything. Oh, yeah. Oh, look. It's these things that spin around and fly up like a helicopter. Sick. Look, these are the dangerous part is the rock. Hitting my, ooh, what is this? The U.S. smoke. How much money it costs? U.S. smoke costs $9. The U.S. smoke. Epa, you dare to buy the U.S. smoke? The U.S. smoke, all the colors. Like, look. U.S. smoke. It costs $9. It's cheap. So if I add up, all of them cost expensive. Even oh look, this is the same thing. Oh, goodbye. Bye, guys.